Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Meet. Make sure your browser has camera and microphone permissions so your devices work when you join. Once done, test camera and mic in the preview window to confirm audio levels and framing. If everything looks right, enter the meeting code or click Join Now. Keep your mic muted until you speak to avoid background noise. This helps keep the call professional and reduces distractions immediately. Once you're in the meeting, prepare the material you plan to show and close any windows you don't want visible. Then click Present Now and choose between your entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab depending on what you need to share. Choose Chrome tab when sharing video to enable system audio. This prevents lags and gives participants smooth playback. Make sure to select the specific tab or window and then click Share. This isolates what participants see. To finish, click Stop Presenting and then leave call when the meeting ends for you. If you recorded the session or need chat files, make sure the host process the recording and download any shared files from the meeting chat or drive. If you hit a problem, screen share appears blank or participants see a black screen. Check browser, camera/screen sharing permissions, close and reopen the tab, or restart the browser. Updating Chrome and graphics drivers often fixes persistent display issues. That troubleshooting step resolves most share problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.